shaking. Damn it. Don't shake. Hi, this is Parag with iRepairMD, and today what I'm going to show you guys how to fix is a Galaxy S5 crack screen. This one is the glass itself is not cracked, but the LCD is. We're going to replace it with a brand new LCD here. You can get these LCD from Amazon or eBay for about $150 to $180. And the tools that you're going to need are the standard Phillips screwdriver here, and you're going to need a spludger tool, a suction cup, and my favorite, a razor blade. All right, and of course a heat gun. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and add heat. We're going to add heat to the glass right here. What we don't want to damage is we don't want to damage the LCD that's holding the touch down here. We want to preserve that. Alright, once we get that, what we're going to do is go ahead and put the razor blade right underneath right here. Okay? And what we want to use now is the spudger tool, razor blade right here. Now I'm using a spudger tool to go ahead and slowly separate it. Okay? Alright, so we can go ahead and separate it, add more heat as we go. Go ahead and add the heat. Again, this LCD is already damaged, so there's no need for us to preserve it, but we still need to be really careful around the frame. You don't want to damage the frame of this phone. Alright, so now we get the spudger tool, run it around. Okay. Okay, go ahead and pull it carefully. Alright, with this glass, there's no need to be gentle on it because the LCD is already damaged. However, we just don't want to damage the outside frame, and also we don't want to damage the connectors that it could be attached to. Okay. So now we got most of it off, as you can see. I'm going to carefully add some heat. Add some heat over here. Alright. So now I'm going to slowly fold it up. Right here. Carefully lifting it. And there we go. Okay, now as you notice, we got a flex cable right here, and what we want to do with that is actually access the back here, go to the back of the phone. Just going to pull out the battery while we're at it. Pull out the battery. Okay. And now we're going to need a screw. We're going to take this out. Go ahead and remove this piece off. Okay. Use a different screwdriver. Okay. So now there's a cover back here. Go ahead using a razor blade to carefully lift this off like that. Okay. And now I'm going to lift the cover off from the back, cover that we just took off. See right here. Okay. Alright, so now we got this off. What we're going to do is go ahead and use the new LCD. Alright, we're going to test the LCD out. Make sure it works. Always test the LCD before you install it with these things. And this is the connector for the LCD on the back side. There's a tape holding it down. Let's go ahead and free that tape. Okay. And now what we're going to do is connect LCD to here. Alright. Let's go ahead and test the LCD out. Try to get it for you to see. Okay, so we're going to put this connector in. Okay. Now it's rested. Let's go ahead and, before we install it, let's go ahead and put the battery in. Power up the LCD, make sure it works before we completely install. Because some of these places, the LCD are bad. If it shows signs that you installed it, it means that now it's yours and you can't get your money back if it's defective. But as you can see here, now the LCD is working. Now I'm just going to test the slide feature. Okay. Just a touch button, and you see the touch all work. Camera work too. Alright, so now let's go ahead and install this. Check out the battery. Okay. Okay, so now that we clean off the back of this and the adhesive has been removed, we're going to go ahead and install the connector because we already tested. Alright, now we're going to go ahead. So you have this little tab right here. Okay, we want to insert that tab into this hole right here. So carefully insert it in, flip it over on this side like you have here. Okay, and now go ahead. Alright, and now let's go ahead and test this one more time before we completely seal. Let's go ahead and test this. Check the LCD out. Add a little pressure here. Okay. All right. Test the T-Mobile out. Alright, let's go and test this, make sure all the buttons work, and they do. Alright, now we can go ahead and put the screw back into place for this. Let's put the cover on. Put the back cover back on. Okay. Let's go ahead and tighten the screw. Screw here. Go ahead and tighten the screw for this. Alright. And so now let's go ahead and test the back forward button on this. Call, everything works. Now let's go ahead and make a seal. Close the back seal like we have here. Now go ahead and flip it over, add some heat to activate the adhesive. So adding heat here to activate the adhesive. Alright, adhesive is activated. Add a little pressure down here. Okay, now this is working. Alright, everything works. This is Prak with iRepair MD. Safe repair.